Hello everyone, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, we are going to cover the topic of method overloading and method overriding. So what is method overloading? Let me zoom in. So what is method overloading? In method overloading, this concept comes first of all under the concept that is polymorphism. So here what we have in the same class, we have different methods with the same name but different parameters. Like this method doesn't have any parameter. This method have a parameter int a, and this method test with the same name of the earlier two methods have different data type in the argument section, or we can say differently parameterized in comparison to these two, right? If the third method have two data types, this both are same but these are two. The fourth method, the next method does have same data type but these are different from the previous one, and the next one have different types of data types, like one is integer and another one is string. So same way we can have some more, like we can have integer string, integer a, string b, and next we can say integer c also. So that's how with the method, when we have the same name methods with different arguments in the same class, we can call this concept as the concept of polymorphism, and we will call it as method overloading. And now what is method overriding? In method overriding, let's say we have one class method overriding, and here I have a method that is test1, and it is giving me the print, or the outcome of this method will be overriding class, right? So what I want, I am going to extend this class by the another class that is test class. So this test class is inheriting the method overriding class by using the keyword extends. This class now is a parent class, and this class test class is now a child class. So what I want in this test class, that is a child class, I have created the same name method test1 that I do have in my method overriding class, that is the parent class. So here what do we have in the test1? I am want to print as test class, right? So let me take out this piece of code, and if I want to call here test1, right? And if I'll be taking the printout for this test1, one second, is there any mistake? Let me check. To complete, okay, I have loosened this curly braces. Okay, now if I want to run this class, if I want to run this piece of code, what will happen in my main method? It can get either test class, or it can get either overriding class. So what should be the result? According to the concept, the child class will call first the test1 from the own methods. Like this test class have the test1 method, so it should get the print as test class. As so if let me run the code. If I will run the code, it will get as the test class. So what should I do if I want to call the method from my method overriding class? If I want to get this as a print, what should I do? I should use a super keyword before my test1 method in a non-static method. For that, what I have done, I have created another method as test2 method, and this method is a non-static method. I'm not using any static keyword over here. And then before test1, I will use a keyword as super. So it will be representing that this test1 method is coming from the parent class. The parent class is what? It is the method overriding. And this test1 will be coming from where? It will be coming from my this test1, that test class. So like this, I can call both of the results. So if I will comment this section, and if I'll run this piece of code now, it will give me the result from both. Oh, I'm sorry. I have to take this piece of code here. Let me take this. Let me. Um, I'm calling this test2 method here. So for that, what I have to do, I will be creating the object for my test class, because this is a known static method. This test2 is known static method. So I have to create an object for that. Then only I'll be calling it. Okay, so now if I will run this piece of code, what it will do, this line number 9 will take me to line number 18 first. It will be giving me test class, and then from line number 19 it will be giving me that it is the overriding class. So let's run the program now, and it is giving me both the result. If you want to see that it will give me test1 or not from here, we can comment this section. And now what can we do? If I will run the program, it will give me only overriding class, because this is taken by the super keyword in test2 method, and this test2 method I have called in my main method. So now if I will comment this section from here, it can give me the result from test1 automatically in my main method without calling the test1 in my test2 method. So that's how we can get the result from two different methods with the same name, like test1 and test1. These are same name methods in different classes, but using the keyword super, and by extending one class to the another one, like from the parent class, we can get it as the result of both the methods, like test1. So this is the concept of method overriding when we are using a super keyword in a non-static method where one class is extending another class by the keyword extends, and this concept is basically coming from the OOP concept, that is inheritance. So I hope it is easy to understand now. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe.